In this video, we will see how to commit a file without moving it to the staging area. Okay, so we are into this folder, Git tutorial, and let's write git status. You will see there is a file which is modified, example1.txt, and let's add another file. Okay, example2.txt, example2.txt, and let's write something over here, example2, and now save it. Now if I write git status, you will see one file is tracked but modified, example1.txt. And okay, let's modify the example1.txt as well. Let's write over here modified, not in staging area. Now save it. And now if I write git status, you can see example1.txt is modified, but it is tracked, but the example2.txt is untracked, right? So if you want to commit a file directly to the commit area without moving it to the staging area, you first need it to be tracked. If Git is not tracking the file, it will not move to the commit area. Okay, let me show you that. Git commit hyphen a hyphen m, then the commit name. Suppose write added example 1, and now if you press enter and after that write git status, you will see the example2.txt isn't went to the commit area, but the example1.txt is went to the commit area, right? So before committing anything, you first need it to be tracked, but it is not necessary that the file should be in the staging area. You don't need to write git add like this, git add dot and then again git commit aim, then the commit name. You don't need to write this thing separately. You can just simply write git commit hyphen a hyphen aim and the commit name. It will directly commit any tracked file to the commit area without moving it to the staging area. You will use this command many times whenever you are working in this git, because sometimes the files are tracked and you want to commit it every time without moving it to the staging area. So in that case, you can just write git commit hyphen a hyphen m and then the commit name. It will directly move the file to the commit area, okay, without moving it to the staging area. So now if I write git log, so now you can see the added example one is committed without moving it to the staging area at this time. So this is 2 minutes before. Right now it's 11:44 and it is 11:42. So in this way you can commit any file without moving it to the staging area, but do remember the file should be tracked. If the file is untracked, you first need it to be tracked, and after that the file can move to the directly commit area.